of the person who's in your guard, their posture. For him to posture, he's going to do what? So posture. Exactly. Okay. So this is his third leg of the pyramid. Okay, so he's got 1, 2, 3. All right, he's strong this way, he's strong that way, strong that way. Perpendicular to this line, he is not as strong. Okay, not as strong. Okay, so I want to tilt him perpendicular. So, but before any of this happens, what you can do is this. So, starting in the guard. And you constantly keep breaking their posture and deny them the ability to send their hand. Okay? And you break their posture. Okay? And you constantly break their posture. A good way to deny them posture is by simply putting your hands where you know he's going to want his hand. Move your hand. So you put him right here. And just deny him the ability to set his hand. And keep breaking their posture. It's very annoying. Okay? So let's say he gets posture. Okay? What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this lapel, I'm going to wrap it around his wrist, and then I'm going to grab the end right here. Grab his collar here, put his feet on the hips. I'm going to stretch him out. Pull your arm out. Okay. He's pulling it right on my lapel. So all his pull is right here. You just got to make sure you can't unwrap it. Okay? From here, pull it again. You let go. Pull. Okay. And then you have triangle. Because you're extending it. This is right to right. When it's right to right, it's right. No. What I want to do is I want to keep pulling him in with my legs. I'm going to take my left hand and I'm going to wrap it over, pass it to the right, go under, and I want to lock it right here. Grab this collar, push, put on the hip, put on the hip, now we're here. As I stretch him out, there's really not much you can do. Pull your hand, okay? Meanwhile, there's a lot I can do. You get a time. Fairly simple. It's the wrist strap, okay? Right to right, okay? So here, I'm blocking the top to here. Gets it. But I just got to make sure that there's enough lapel here. I'm pulling him in, over, under, and lock. Grab, pull, push. Now we're pull the hand back. Can't really do it. As he'll try to probably come back in. Just careful with their elbow because it's kind of this awkward angle. And then you have a triangle right here.
Finish that triangle, you just keep it locked.
Yeah, why not? I mean, why not do it? Look. So, go back. Over here. Left, right, left. Right. Lock. Left. You ask him to pull, but this, the bottom of your wrist has to lock it. If I'm like this, he can potentially unloop it, even though it's still stuck. Here. So if he pulls it back, okay. This is the wrist trap. That way. Posture. Left hand. To right hand, to left hand, to right hand and wrap. Pull, out, last thing to pull. See how we keep it up and down. Keep an arm out, I notice, it creates very awkward pressure on the shoulder here. So as I but probably didn't feel good. I wouldn't know. Nobody does. Yeah. So, one last time. It could be interesting, but left to right, right to left, and wrap the wrist. And I'm gonna reach. Lock it. Pull him. You have a lot of hip mobility there. Cut him short. Try right to right. You're going over, under, over, lock. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Man, I haven't even seen you to do this. Let's just do this already. Good Lord. Can't. It's like, here, look at this ice cream right here.